Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a representative file of the type you want to change. This avoids guessing. Right-click that file and choose Get Info, or press CMD+I to open the inspector. In the Info window, locate the Open With section and take note of the current app. If it's collapsed, click the small triangle to expand. Once you see the app, you're ready to pick a new default. This step ensures you change the correct file type, not just a single file. Now click the Open With pop-up and select the player you prefer. This sets the new default for that single file. If your player isn't listed, choose Other, navigate to the app, set Enable to all applications, and select the app. Once the chosen app appears, click Change All to apply the selection to every file of that type. Confirm the dialog when prompted. This is how Mac OS maps file extensions to apps, so Change All saves you repeating the process. Finish by opening multiple files of that type to confirm they launch in the new player. This quick check ensures system mapping updated. If files still open in the old app, try relaunching Finder. Option right-click the Finder icon and choose Relaunch, then retest. If problems persist, reset launch services using a terminal command to rebuild associations, because corrupted mappings can block changes. Once done, make sure permissions are unchanged and you have admin rights when prompted. Those fixes resolve most edge case failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.